Hey, welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to show you how to make the classic daiquiri. So this drink is often referred to as the bartender's air conditioning. It's been around for a long time. Really a good hot weather drink. You'll make it just chilled as much as possible to kind of help you through those hot days. Since it did originate in Cuba, as people guess, probably by a miner who was there during the Spanish-American War. And of course, especially for an American visiting in Cuba, you probably wanted something as cold as possible. And that's kind of the origins of the drink. Now, that's probably why it is really popular as a blended cocktail as well. Once it made its way to New York and got really popular and kind of spread throughout the country, they started blending it with fruits. I'm sure you've had a strawberry daiquiri, a mango daiquiri, right? It's very popular. I know for me, working in a Spanish bar, it's an extremely popular drink to make. Maybe not the classic daiquiri martini that we're gonna show you here, but some variation of it. So what we're gonna do is stick fairly close to the traditional daiquiri. However, while they did ways to kind of help combat the heat, they would really shake it down. They'd even add water to the drink to help dilute it. We're not gonna go that crazy. We're gonna make this like a classic cocktail that you would expect to have, you know, sort of a modern version of the daiquiri. So let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients real quick. This is gonna be in the sour family. We're gonna have a fresh lime juice and we're gonna have a sugar. And you can make this with simple syrup. I'm actually gonna use a demerara syrup here. So demerara is a pure, it's gonna be a brown sugar, but it's actually not colored. Brown sugar actually has color added, whereas demerara sugar is just made from pure cane juice. It gives it a nice, richer sweetness, but also adds some herbal flavors to it as well. And for the rum, we're just gonna use white rum. I'm gonna go with Bacardi. Bacardi, you know, started in Cuba, so it's a good one to go with for this drink. And a lot of people kind of think of a daiquiri as a kind of a clearish green drink, which you really only get with the white rum. However, in a daiquiri, you can really use any rum you want. If I was making this for myself, typically not on a video, I would probably be using plantation rum or some good delicious aged rum for this drink. It really kind of elevates a little bit, but most people are going to be expecting a white rum for this drink, so we're going to go with Bacardi. So let's go ahead and build out this cocktail. It is going to be shaken, so go ahead and grab your pint glass or shaker tin, and the very first thing we're going to do is add 2 ounces of our rum. Next, we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of our demerara sugar. Go ahead and grab a lime, and we're gonna squeeze out 1 full ounce of lime juice. Next, we're gonna grab our ice and fill our pint glass up here. And let's go ahead and give this drink a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. Now, I do like to chill my glass for this drink. So before you do make your cocktail, if you could throw your glass in the freezer, even better, or you can fill it up with some ice water as well. And let's go ahead and double strain our drink. Go ahead and grab a lime, and for a garnish, we're just gonna do a nice simple lime wheel. And there you have a classic daiquiri. Cheers. So good, so refreshing. Leaning a little bit more on the tart side, but you definitely got the sweetness of the Demerara sugar and also the rum just really balancing it out pretty well. I am picking up on a little bit of the grassy tones from the Demerara sugar. Like I said, this is made from pure cane sugar, so it's gonna have a little bit of earthy tones to it, which works perfect in such a simple cocktail just like this. And you got the rum coming through, just bright, refreshing, delicious summertime cocktail, the daiquiri. Thanks for watching the daiquiri video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe down below. We absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Salud.